As drivers, we are faced with many distractions when we hit the road. Be aware of these common driver distractions depicted here that can get us sidetracked or worse.
Jeez.
Playing with your car stereo or other controllers can take your eyes off the road and increase your chances for a collision.
Safety grant programs are probably the best. I like to. I think you get the most fun.
When driving with passengers, keep conversations and noise to a minimum.
Okay, sorry, Steph.
Hello?
Hey, personal grooming and using your cell phone increases your odds of getting into an accident on the road. Put it down, please.
Distracted drivers take longer to react to changing road conditions. They fail to see other road users and vehicles and may miss important signs and lights, again increasing the risk of a collision. So, when you're behind the wheel, just drive